Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see about a Google Slides overview of mobile phone application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, download the Google Slide from the Play Store. You can just download from Play Store and click on the three dots option on the top, which shows the recent file, shared with me, stored file, which is actually a favorite file, and trash, where the deleted files will be gone. And click on the setting option. Here you will see option to notification setting, theme setting, and also the offline usage setting, usage data usage setting, and also the clear cache setting also here. And come back and click on this plus symbol. You will see a two option, which is a choose template, which it's a pre-template that they have been given here. And click on the new presentation, which actually the new presentation slide that you want to open. After opening the slide, on the top you will see a undo redo option on the first, the second option which actually store the slideshow, the third option which is the insert option. Click on this plus symbol, which actually shows the command, text, image, shape, lines and tables. Here you can just insert it. And click on the three dot option on the top, which actually shows the change theme setting, view guide, and also share and export, which you can print out. You can just save as the document on your mobile phone. So these are the overview of the Google Slide mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.